Hi and welcome to CEBUANO News.
Ako si Jessie Thea G. Alberca, Bayad ni Anyo Sampanoigon, loud and proud to represent Karkar City, the Kapkatan Festival. We are known for the Heritage City for a reason. This is a costume that is inspired by the history of Karkar. And Kapkaban Festival, from the word Kapkan, a fern in Karkar, it actually resonates the deep-rooted passion for the Karkaranos for music, arts, and culture. These infrastructures that I carry today bear history. And now, let me be your tour guide and I'll give you a quick tour in Karkar City. Well, this is Rotunda, the St. Catherine Alexander's Parish Church, the St. Catherine's College, Jose Rizal's Monument, let me give a turn, the Theotokos Shrine, Upland Elementary School, and the dispensary. All of these buildings were influenced and built during the Spanish and American colonial period. And up until now, it is still standing and it is still present. And that is a testament of the spirit of the Karkaranos of being resilient and being creative. And wait, there's more. Not only that, but we are also known for the shoe capital of Cebu, and as well as the mga lamian ng mga delikasiya. Ang buong muriha! Charun, charun, charun! Bukarilyo muriha! I stand here not as one, but as the whole of Karkar. This is the efforts and creativity of the whole of Karkaranos. This is Karkar. This is the power of the Kapkaban Festival. Daghang salamat!
Maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. I am Chanel Kylie Hilfer, representing Sikoy Sikoy Festival of San Fernando. Sikoy Sikoy is a colloquial term for panikoy, which is a method of fishing that is actively practiced by the San Fernando Hanon fishermen. Locally called as banumoy, flying fish with various species are caught and is best served as kinilaw, sinugba, tinua, and one of my favorites, ang lamian nga inununan. Ladies and gentlemen, this costume in front of you is the best representation of panikoy-sikoy. Kay ako, ang rayna sa mga barumoy na napukot pinaagi sa panikoy-sikoy. And I am filled with excitement to show and represent San Fernando and show to all of you that San Fernando is rich in culture and heritage. Together, as one Cebu, let us love Cebu and love the Philippines!
Masaulugon ng mga Sugboano, ilabinagyod ang mga Alegliano nga nahadiin sa pagsagubang sa mga indigay sa kinabuhi gibalik kini ngadto sa katawhan pinaagi sa pagsaulog o kunyaka. Maayong buntag Sugbo, ako si Leila ako, ang bililhong hiyas sa katahong o kaanyag, nga mapasigarbohong nagrepresentar sa lugar diin makita ang maligon ug mabuslanong kawayan. Ug mao kini ang akong isulog karon. Mabuhi ang Kawayan Festival, mabuhi ang alegria, mabuhi ang Sugbo, kay alegre, alegre,